Hi everybody, welcome to another edition of James Jam. I'm Jane. This is my jam. And what? I will have a couple of unboxing videos coming for you.
Not for me.
Well, no, not for you, but for everyone else to watch in the near future, including this one. So I wonder why this is a sticker here. Unless you can use it when you're sending it back. Okay, like that matters. Okay.
You gonna send it back, squirrel?
No. So I got this. I recently got a bag that I loved. And I already knew I loved it because I had one of it already. And I absolutely love that one. And when I bought the second one, it was on sale.
Oh.
There was still a big sale going on.
They always get you with that.
They do. And there were two more that I really wanted.
Only two.
Right, but I only bought one.
Oh, wow, that's a great way of looking at that.
And that's what it is here. And I've seen this before. I haven't taken it out yet. I just undid it and took my address off it. But it's still up there. Merci. Isn't that nice? Thanks me. Right when I open the package. And it's... Oh, let me get my information out of here. Comes with a nice little card that tells the name of the place. I cannot show that too much. But it's even tucked in here nice. So there's nothing in here. It's just to tuck the bag in.
Snug as a bug in a rug.
Yep. And I like the box that it has prints all over it.
Not the singer?
No. So this is just all tucked in, nice as can be. I mean, like this, to me, this is a luxury experience. The prices for this aren't terrible, and and I love what they do. Like for this price, especially when they're on sale. I mean, look at this; is just all so nice. You got the little paper to tear open. You got the bag here, blue bag. Does anybody know what it is? Latanier. It's the bag there. You might know the name. Oh. I wasn't 100% sure on the color. I mean, I knew I liked it, but
like what, 98.7%?
Look at this. Oh my gosh, I've never had it come so wrapped up. Oh my gosh. This is the medium Emily bag from Latanier. Let me just get this off my fingers now. Okay, and this is their specialty canvas. It's leather. But if you look really close, it's a whole bunch of T's for Latanier.
Oh, I thought it was for Mr. T.
So here's the front, the side, the back, the side. There are little tiny feet on the bottom that have stickers that I will have to take off. I'm telling you, this is like luxury all the way. I'm going to set that off to the side. And then, it also comes with like a little, it is a little clay here. It's all wrapped like in felt. Okay, again, it is wrapped in felt. So it's got the little key clay here. And then you open it up here. And this one has two pockets. Pockets here. A zip pocket in the center. It's got a slip pocket on the front side. A slip pocket on the back side. A zipper pocket on the back side. The back side has a slot here which you can fit your phone in.
Why don't you open it up and show us again
and
inside? There we go.
It's got a beautiful blue interior, matches the blue bag. And then in here we have the handy dandy strap, which is now attached to it with plastic, but this is reversible and removable with the silver hardware.
Is it adjustable?
Yeah, this will join its little friends here.
Say hello to my little friend.
This one.
Oh boy. Okay, 2 are friends, 3's a gang.
And this one, no, isn't it awesome? I just love it. There's one other one I still want.
Let me
And
guess, it's still on sale.
it is still on sale. And it's kind of a lighter green color. It's similar to this, but like
Like?
not.
Are you a valley girl?
It's more like this color. Stop it. This color, but not in sequin shiny.
Totally.
Stop it. And yeah, so I can't say enough about this brand. I think it's fantastic. The bag was under $400, and I believe they're still on sale. You just go to latanier.com. You'll be directed to the U.S. Site because they are an Italian site. And I'm just taking the stickers off here. I just can't say enough good things about these bags. I love these bags. My first one was the yellow one. It looks like the day I got it. Then I got the kind of Tiffany blue one, and now I have this one. The leather is super, super durable, and love the silver hardware. And yeah, this is just a gorgeous bag. The strap does go from side to side, so I know some people don't like that.
So the diagonally?
Yeah, but
right.
it doesn't bother me any. And these do come out, but they don't do anything. I mean, you can't make the bag tighter or looser with them. So, yeah, I am just, this is a phenomenal bag. I mean, full price, this bag is about, I think it's $680. And I just think it's fantastic, especially for that price. But yeah, mine was about half off. And every season, just once a year, they have a big sale, and they do they put like anywhere from, I think it's like 20% to 60% off a bunch of their different bags. And then they also do other promotions during the year. Like when I bought this one, it was on sale, and I got a free belt with it. Well, cameraman got a free belt, and it's awesome. It's a phenomenal leather belt. So yeah, I got this though, and I just couldn't be happier. I didn't know, it was kind of hard to tell. It was like a pinkish orange on the website, but I wasn't 100% sure the color, and it's definitely running more orange than pink, and that makes me super, super happy, because we know I love some orange. So I won't bore you while I take everything off here, but I am super excited for this. If you have not gotten one, need to go. Don't miss out, especially on the sales. They're so good. I'm gonna really try hard not to get the last one that I really like, because I love this. There's other bag styles too. They have one that it's like the Emily as well, only it has a flap that goes over the top and kind of comes down in a V, very similar to like a Birkin. And yeah, they started out as leather tanners and do saddling and equestrian items, and then moved on to this. My understanding is they use the same, they gather their leather from the same place that Hermes does. And yeah, treated leather rolled handles. I mean, these babies are stunning, and for that price, they're practically giving them away. So that's the unboxing I have for you today. Do you have anything from this brand? If you don't, why not? Jump on the train, especially now, like I said, free shipping to the US. I ordered this last week, I think Friday, and it's Wednesday of the next week, and it's already here. And yeah, free shipping. They're still on sale. Yeah, run, don't walk to that website and get yourself one. There are so many nice bags. They have a bunch of different styles too. I clearly like this style, but there are a lot of different sizes and styles. So go take a look. I'll link them down below as well. Yeah, that's what I have for you today. Have you picked up anything new? If so, what have you gotten? Did you get any one of these? Are you going to go get one of these? Because they're awesome. I'd just love to hear that. I love when you leave comments in general. I answer all the comments I receive and really appreciate them. It helps me get to know everybody just a little bit better. If you're not already subscribed, I would really appreciate it if you subscribed. I've recently hit 2,000 subscribers and would love to see that number grow. I typically put out videos on Wednesdays and Saturdays. With now, I will be doing a book related video every other Thursday. So if you're not into books, you can skip my Thursdays. You know, I definitely get it. It's not everybody's jam. No, it's James' jam. And
Oh, I see what you did there.
right. If you hit the little bell notification, it lets you know when I put up videos.
I thought that was when the lunch was.
That too.
Okay.
If you haven't already found me over on Instagram, you can find me there as well at James Jam. It's JAME underscore S under. No, I got that wrong. JAME.
Question mark?
No, JAME underscore S underscore jam. Put out reels over there once a week showing you my bag of the week and what fits in it, and show some of my SLGs. I switch them out every week.
So is this one going to get in the rotation soon?
Oh, it will. She's beautiful. Yeah, I used that one as soon as I got it, and I didn't want to get out of it. Then I used this one. And
You have a 1 week limit.
It's hard.
Yeah,
hard for
but
me
you
to
got a
really
lot of
like them.
lonely bags in here.
I know, but I really like these.
I know. It's a hard habit to break.
It is. Listening to you. I mean, no, okay.
What?
So, you're a hard habit to break.
Uh-huh.
I don't want to break you.
Too
though.
late.
No, okay.
Too late.
So anyways, thank you so much for watching. Until next time, please do unto others as you would have them do unto you. Again, thank you so much for watching. Bye.
No, thank you for watching.